Hi everyone, I'm back with a new video on how you can sign up and create an account on crypto.com NFT site. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. First of all, you'll have to open up your web browser, and once you open up your web browser, on the search box you have to type in www.crypto.com/NFT. You can also find the link on my description box below. As you tap on the link, next interface will be directed to their profile page, and this is what the interface is going to look like. So then on the profile page, you'll be able to see sign up option in the top right corner of your screen. All you need to do is just tap on it. As you tap on it, next page will be directed to the sign up page, and right on this page you'll be asked to provide your personal information. Now that includes entering your full name, so make sure to enter the correct name that is associated on your ID, and after that you also have to enter the email address, and then you also have to create a username. And once you're done creating a username, you have to create a password, and in order to confirm a password you have to retype in once again. And make sure to go through the terms and condition, and once you're done, tap on continue. And once you've gone through it, make sure to mark on the box at the left hand side corner, and after you're done entering all of these information, tap on click to verify, which is right at the bottom. And after that, once again you have to verify all of the information that you've provided, and then you have to create a password accordingly. And once you've gone through it, tap on sign up, which is right at the bottom. Now you'll need to confirm the email address, so for that you have to tap on click to verify. And once you tap on it, next interface you have to open up your email. As you can see that I've already received a verification email, and all I have to do is just tap on verify email, which is right in center, and right on this page you'll be notified that the registration has been successful. And all you have to do is just tap on sign in. So once again you have to sign in, so make sure to enter the correct email and the password that you've created recently, and after that tap on click to verify. So once again you'll need to verify, so this time a verification code will be sent to an email. So all you need to do is open up your email and then paste in the verification code, and then tap on submit. And as soon as you're logged in, you'll have an option to connect to the app, and in case if you want to connect crypto.com NFT account to your crypto.com application, then you can just tap on connect to app, and you'll have to provide some information, and then you'll be able to connect to the app. And after that you've successfully created an account on crypto.com NFT. So that was all for this video. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.